Welcome to Globe Tales, where fun and learning come together. Today, we're diving into the ocean, from A to Z, to meet some incredible sea animals. Let's get started. A is for angelfish. These colorful fish have bright, beautiful stripes and live near coral reefs. B is for beluga whale. With their big, round heads, belugas are known as the canaries of the sea because they love to sing. C is for crab. A crab walks sideways and has a hard shell to keep it safe. D is for dolphin. Dolphins are super smart and playful. They love to leap out of the water and put on a show. E is for eel. Eels are long, slithery fish that look like snakes. They can hide in small spaces. F is for flounder. This flat fish has both eyes on one side of its head. It loves to hide on the seafloor. G is for great white shark. One of the ocean's most powerful predators, the great white is a very strong swimmer. H is for humpback whale. These gentle giants are famous for their beautiful songs and for jumping high out of the water. I is for Indian starfish. These sea animals have 5 arms and crawl along the bottom of the ocean. J is for jellyfish. They are soft and squishy, floating through the water with their long, flowing tentacles. K is for killer whale. Also called an orca, these smart, black and white animals are actually the biggest dolphins in the world. L is for lobster. Lobsters have a hard shell and 2 big claws to protect themselves as they crawl along the seafloor. M is for Moorish Idol. This fish is like a painter's dream, with beautiful stripes of black, white, and yellow. N is for narwhal. The unicorn of the sea. A narwhal is a whale with a long, twisty tusk that looks just like a horn. O is for octopus. An octopus has 8 long arms and can change its color to hide from other animals. P is for pufferfish. When it gets scared, this fish can puff up into a big, spiky ball to scare away danger. Q is for queen parrotfish. This colorful fish lives near coral reefs and has a mouth like a parrot's beak for munching on algae. R is for ray. Rays have a flat body and wings that they use to glide through the water as if they were flying. S is for seahorse. With their long snouts and curled tails, seahorses are the only fish that swim standing up. T is for turtle. A sea turtle has a big, strong shell that acts like its own personal armor as it swims all over the world. U is for unicorn fish. This fish has a long, pointy horn on its forehead, making it look like a magical sea unicorn. V is for viperfish. Living in the deep, dark ocean, the viperfish has big eyes and long, sharp teeth to help it find food. W is for Weedy Sea Dragon. This amazing animal looks just like a piece of floating seaweed, which helps it hide from animals that want to eat it. X is for X-ray fish. The X-ray fish has a see-through body. You can actually see its bones and skeleton right through its skin. Y is for yellow tang fish. These tiny, bright yellow fish are often seen in beautiful groups, swimming around coral reefs. Z is for zebra shark. When they are young, these sharks have stripes like a zebra, and when they get older, the stripes turn into spots.